AI has become a game changer in space travel, offering unprecedented possibilities to explore the universe efficiently and sustainably. Imagine the vastness of space, where millions of celestial objects remain unexplored. The sheer scale of this endeavor makes human limitations apparent. Astronauts, no matter how skilled, can only achieve so much in their missions. AI steps in as an indispensable tool. Its capability to process enormous amounts of data at unparalleled speeds allows scientists and astronauts to make critical decisions with greater precision and insight. From analyzing patterns in space to monitoring spacecraft systems, AI proves its worth in scenarios that would take humans years to decode. One of the most remarkable aspects of artificial intelligence in space travel is its role in navigation. Autonomous spacecraft equipped with artificial intelligence are able to map routes, avoid obstacles like debris or asteroids, and make course corrections in real time. These intelligent systems remove the need for constant human oversight, increasing efficiency and decreasing risks during missions. AI-powered navigation has already contributed to significant achievements, such as probes that have explored Mars, comets, and even interstellar space. AI also plays a key role in mission planning. Developing a space mission is a complex process that involves analyzing countless variables, such as launch windows, fuel efficiency, and payload optimization. This capability ensures missions are not only cost-effective, but also more likely to succeed. By automating calculations and simulations, AI reduces the time required for mission planning, enabling scientists to focus on innovative ideas for the future. In addition to exploration, artificial intelligence is vital for survival in space. Astronauts face numerous challenges, from maintaining their health in microgravity to dealing with emergencies. AI-powered systems monitor astronauts' vital signs and environmental conditions on board spacecraft, alerting them to potential risks before they become dangerous. AI can even assist in diagnosing and treating medical issues, acting as a virtual doctor when human expertise is not available. AI is not just aiding humans in space travel, it is also working on behalf of humanity on Earth. Satellites equipped with artificial intelligence are revolutionizing how we study our planet. They track climate change, monitor natural disasters, and analyze agricultural trends to provide invaluable data for sustainable development. By enhancing our ability to observe Earth from space, AI contributes to solving pressing global challenges. As AI advances, its potential in space exploration continues to expand. Robotic rovers powered by artificial intelligence are not only capable of navigating alien terrains, but also of conducting experiments independently. For instance, NASA's Perseverance rover on Mars uses artificial intelligence to identify promising research sites, study rock samples, and capture high-resolution images, all without direct human intervention. This autonomy saves time and resources, paving the way for more ambitious extraterrestrial missions. Furthermore, artificial intelligence is central to the concept of interstellar travel. Reaching distant stars is a daunting task that requires navigating extreme conditions and surviving prolonged journeys. AI systems can manage spacecraft operations over long durations, preserving energy and resources while ensuring mission continuity. Their ability to adapt and learn makes them ideal for dealing with unforeseen challenges, increasing the likelihood of reaching distant destinations. One exciting prospect is the use of artificial intelligence in developing human habitats on other planets. From Mars to the Moon, establishing colonies requires meticulous planning and execution. AI can design efficient habitats, simulate their sustainability, and oversee construction processes using robotic systems. This capability accelerates the dream of becoming an interplanetary species. Despite its impressive contributions, AI's integration into space travel raises ethical and practical questions. Should we rely entirely on autonomous systems for critical decisions? How do we ensure artificial intelligence remains under human control during missions? These questions underline the importance of developing artificial intelligence responsibly, with safeguards in place to prevent misuse or unexpected outcomes. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we approach space travel. Its ability to enhance navigation, mission planning, survival, and exploration makes it an indispensable ally in our quest to understand the universe. While challenges remain, the collaboration between AI and human ingenuity promises a future where the stars are within our reach. As we stand at the threshold of this new era, it is exciting to imagine where artificial intelligence will take us next. The cosmos awaits, and with AI as our companion, the possibilities are truly